Three men in a smartphone present art, nature, civilization, man. For a moment, the south entrance of the Cleveland Museum of Art blocks out the sky with its grand awning and towering columns. Modern man emerges, feeling small compared to the grand building. He looks back to the immense structure, 98 years old. His transition back to the world is led, like Virgil for Dante, by a great casting of Rodin's Thinker. He looks on, he walks down into the great immensity. He looks east and sees the incompleteness and speed and beauty of modern life. He looks west and sees the dome of Silver's temple. He looks back briefly and walks on, drawn to the Garden of Fine Arts, the vision of Frederick Law Olmsted and the Garden Club of Cleveland, dedicated in 1928. He sits like the thinker and contemplates the fountain of the waters, yet sees off in the distance technology. Paradoxically, he must descend to escape it. Who are these ancient figures in the fountain of the waters? No matter, and Google doesn't seem to know anyway. For all artistic representations fade as the landscape transitions into an order based around the lagoon. Free of the powerful influence of the master artists, modern man opens his senses and his lungs and experiences playfulness. Be careful, modern man. Where before his way was straight, now modern man walks a winding path, following the flowing directions of water. A final look back reveals the museum, once so imposing, as merely one of many sentries benevolently ringing the lagoon.